Look how dirty this is. I cannot believe this came off a Chingo. Pets should be bathed at least once a week, but it's hard to get them in with this cold weather. But this glove wipe is a great idea for us. It's rinse-free, so you slip it on and simply rub down your pet. We use it when we come back from walks or on nasty rainy days. It cleans your pet pretty well without having to go to a shop. It smells fresh, and after you're done, you simply take it off and throw it away. Pretty convenient, right? It's cheaper than cleaning them in a pet store. A single glove is less than $1. Right now there's a flash deal for 15% off, so click the card below.